Hi everyone, I'm Kelly and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you how I create this quick and easy everyday latte makeup look. Let's get started with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and I'm using 2 pumps for my face. The goal of this latte makeup is glowy and bronzy, so this will help grip the makeup I put on top and make them last longer without using any setting powder. To even out my skin tone, I'm going to use the Fenty Eaze drop mixed with a little bit of the Futuredew from Glossier for a glow from within base. With an everyday makeup look, I prefer a lightweight skin tint over a full coverage foundation. And I'm applying it using the e.l.f. puffing brush. Now I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer for my dark circles. It has a satin finish that goes well with this look. I'm using a damp sponge to blend it out and also put some on my eyelids in place of an eye primer. For everyday makeup, I wanna keep everything simple and quick without using too many products. But I do recommend using eye primer for longevity and avoiding creasing. Next, I will fill in my brows using the NYX Micro Brows Pencil. I keep it very soft and natural. Moving to the eyes, I'm going to use the Milani Gilded Mini Eyeshadow Palette in shade Whiskey Business. I'm using the first shade with the Balm Tools blending brush to set my concealer. Then I'm using the same brush to pick up the soft brown and apply it all over my lids. Then I blend out the edges for a diffused look. For the bronzy part, I'm using the Revlon ColorStay Crème eyeshadow in shade 710 Caramel. I use my finger to pick it up from the pot and apply it on my mobile lids. This cream eyeshadow is very easy to work with and has a good quality for a drugstore price. I just gently tap it on my eyelids, then I take the blending brush to blend out so there's no harsh line between those shades. Next, I finish up the eyes by curling those lashes and put on the CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean Mascara. Then I do tie lining using the Milani Stay Put eyeliner. It's just an extra step. You can skip it if you want. It took only a couple of seconds for me, but it makes my lashes look fuller and more defined, so I'm here for it. For bronzer, I'm going to use this cream bronzer stick from Rare Beauty in shade Good Energy. I put some on the back of my hand and pick it up with the e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush and apply it. This bronzer blends effortlessly and beautifully. You can apply as much as you want since that's what the latte makeup is all about. The blush I'm using today is the OG blush from Milani in shade Luminoso. I use this every time I want to skip the highlighter as it's a soft peachy shade with a subtle sheen. It gives some glow to the cheek, not too overwhelming and still suitable for an everyday look. Last but not least, I'm using the Glossy lip balm from Rare Beauty in shade Nearly Neutral. It's a soft neutral brown pink shade and perfect for this latte makeup look. And here's the finished look of the latte makeup. I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!